Hi there, Mojo Dallas here, and I'm here to talk about get clips, which is just a little utility I wrote to help you bring in different snippets and clips of music, and also build up a library for myself of things that I use a lot, and I get tired of typing because I'm so bad at it. Uh, it's in my, again, in the distribution. If you've installed it, it's underneath Sonic Pi, underneath Live Loops. And I have a number of libraries here that you bring in. But first of all, you go ahead and execute the program, and that goes ahead and installs it to a hotkey. And that hotkey is F2 in Windows. So if I click F2, it'll bring up this little dialog, and it says, "Oh, what do you want to load into the Sonic Pi?" And you can see I've got a number of different libraries, basically, of things. I've put a bunch of ambient pads in here. A lot of them were things that Sam has put in examples and things, some different techniques, how to do arpeggios, and I'll be adding more and more. All the basses are available, all the drums you might want to use, all the effects, and so on. And while you can go ahead and type this in, look and help. Also GL, which is all the new stuff I've done for the OpenGL extension that I've added to be able to build your own music visualizer. Of course, I've got an area where I've got some grooves and stuff that I've done, and MIDI loops that I like, patterns, and so on. So you can add whatever you want to into this thing, but I've added a number to start with. All the samples I'm storing that are unique to me, just general code snippets, all my sound font instruments. So if you want to bring in any of the 127 standard instruments in my from my GM general MIDI file that I brought in, basics, synths, basic, advanced versions, so on. So if you look at it, what I'm doing there is, let's look at just this, and bring in Blade, and you click it and select it, and then you go ahead and just paste it in. So you can go ahead and say paste. It brings in basically a live loop with the information that you need. So it saves you from having to look at all that stuff and type up, and then it's got all the options of whatever synthesizer, sample, or instrument, or whatever pattern, whatever you're bringing in here, and it brings it in for you to change them. It brings them in as the default value. So if you forget the name of it, it's already right there for you. That's pretty quick. So it's just, again, a little utility to help you during live coding, especially to get stuff in. It saves me from looking up bunches of stuff, and I haven't memorized everything like Sam and other people have. So that's what I got. That is get clips, a little utility for Windows.